As the sun dips behind rolling hills, find serenity in this twilight haven. Warm firelight meets the cool shimmer of the pool, crafting a perfect sanctuary under the stars. Under a pergola draped in golden lights, unwind in pure sophistication. The fire pit's glow and lush greenery create an intimate retreat, perfect for deep evening relaxation. Bask in the brilliance of a perfect summer day in this lush oasis. A sparkling pool, rustic stone paths, and elegant touches invite you to experience the height of comfort. Where the sunset kisses the ocean, discover an opulent evening getaway. Tropical palms and warm firelight frame a view of the deep blue horizon, inviting pure tranquility. An infinity pool mirrors the dramatic sky in this serene estate. Follow the stone path home, past glowing embers and lush trees, to a space where modern luxury meets nature. Sunlight dances on the water in this vibrant garden sanctuary. Surrounded by lush blooms and gentle clouds, the lounge area invites you to enjoy a moment of timeless peace. A symphony of water and fire awaits in this modern hillside retreat. With a cascading waterfall and dancing flames, every evening becomes a sophisticated sensory experience. As twilight paints the sky, the pool reflects the fading sun in this elegant escape. Illuminated stairs and cozy firelight guide you toward a night of refined entertainment. Old-world charm meets modern luxury in this magical stone courtyard. Soft string lights and a rustic fire pit cast a warm spell, creating an inviting space for memorable nights. Seamlessly blending indoor comfort with outdoor beauty, this patio is a twilight dream. Palm trees sway near the fire as the pool glows, offering a serene end to a busy day. Bathed in golden hour light, this private haven sings with the sound of flowing water. From the stylish fire pit to the stone fountain, enjoy an ambiance of pure elegance. Beneath a vibrant blue sky, this hillside retreat is the definition of leisure. Relax by the pool on the paved patio, where lush comfort meets the beauty of nature's embrace. Modern lines meet moody lighting in this sophisticated dusk setting. The contrast of warm fire against the cool blue pool creates an atmosphere of unparalleled chic luxury. Nestled under a pergola, this built-in lounge is a cozy masterpiece. Surrounded by white blooms and soft LEDs, the fire's warmth invites you to linger in elegant comfort. Wrapped in the privacy of lush greenery, this wooden deck is a twilight paradise. Listen to the gentle cascading waterfall while the fire pit warms the cool blue evening air.